What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Sonic the Werehog. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his nose, so we're gonna draw a oval shape right there. And then I'm gonna draw the top of his snout with a curved line to the right and down, and then I'm gonna extend it all the way to the right side and going up at the corner, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back down to and extend it all the way to the left side of his face, and I'm gonna go upwards on the left cheek right there, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back to the right and down and end it at the side of the nose right there. Now for his mouth, I'm gonna draw from the left corner here a curved line to the center and downwards as you reach the middle point of the mouth, and then I'm gonna make a turn slightly upwards to the right side, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the corner to the lower right side of the corner there, and then I'm gonna turn it back to the left, and then I'm gonna draw his tooth here, his sharp tooth at this corner going down with the curved line, and then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up to the side, and then I'm gonna continue the lower line of the mouth to the center right there, and at the right side of the mouth I'm gonna draw a diagonal line from the bottom and from the top, and then I'm gonna fill that corner with black color. And then on the left side of the mouth, I'm gonna draw his sharp tooth right here and a sharp turn back up to the side. And then I'm gonna draw his eyes from the left cheek here. I'm gonna draw a curved line up, and then on top of that I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line towards the nose right there, and then I'm gonna make a turn up to the right side right there and to the side as you reach the right corner of the eye, and below that line I'm gonna draw a curved line towards the top of the right cheek, the curved line, and then for his pupil on the lower right side of the eye I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there, and inside of that at the lower left corner I'm gonna draw a small circle and another oval in the center of the whole pupil, and I'm gonna fill that in with black color. So we're gonna see a bit of the pupil on the left, so we're gonna draw a side of an oval at the side here. Then on the left side of the face I'm gonna draw a curved line up, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the corner towards the center and stop there. And then in the center of the eye I'm gonna add a semicircle line sideways like that, and I'm gonna add a curved line at this corner here to the right side of the eye, and then I'm gonna turn it back down. And then for his ears on the left I'm gonna draw a curved line up to this corner, and we're gonna add a few zigzag line along the eye, along the ear, and on the tip of the ear I'm gonna make a turn back, and we're gonna keep that zigzag style to make the line across, and I'm gonna turn it to the back of the head and curve it in the middle and going back down at the side there. And then for that other ear, I'm gonna mirror the shape of the left ear right there. In the inside of the right ear, I'm gonna make a curved line right there and a sharp turn back down, and then I'm gonna draw across a zigzag line on the base of the ear. I'm gonna go back to the left side of his face and draw a curved line right there, and from the lower left side of the cheek here, I'm gonna draw his shoulder with a curved line out, with a zigzag line out. And then at the arms, we're gonna intensify the zigzag up to the wrist, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point up into the side, and then I'm gonna draw the claw on his thumb, so I'm gonna draw a curved line down and then sharp turn back up to the side, and for the top part I'm gonna draw across a curved line and a curved line at this side for the thumb, and turn it with a semicircular turn on the top and a semicircular turn at this corner right here, and then extend it outwards, and then I'm gonna make a turn down and extend it all the way down all the way to the side of the palm and make a semicircular turn at the corner. And now I'm gonna draw his other fingers, a similar shape with the first finger that we draw, and at this corner of the finger I'm gonna extend it a little bit and make a semicircular turn there, and then at the side I'm gonna add a curved line here and another curved line right there. And for his wrist, I'm gonna extend this line all the way and meet up with that line right there. And above the hands right here, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line all the way across, and going back towards the lower part of the arms right there. And for the front part of his body, I'm gonna draw from this point a zigzag line down, and I'm gonna turn it inwards right before the legs, and then go back out at that point right there. And then in the middle of the legs, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and the inner line of the legs on this side and the right side as well. And for the right arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line up and then turn it sideways and up and sideways, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn down and a semicircle to the side and stop there for a while. Now for the claw on his thumb here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line there, and on both points I'm gonna draw a curved line out and down, and the tip of the finger at the thumb here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line and then turn it up. And for the finger here, we're gonna draw the same shape of the claw, and then at this tip here, I'm gonna mirror the semicircle line there and extend it up, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point right there. And for the other finger, I'm gonna draw a similar shape for this one. and this one as well. And for the last finger, we're gonna make it turn this way, and then at the side of the thumb I'm gonna add a short curved line there and a semicircle line across the fingers, and then around this hand I'm gonna draw the zigzag line across, circling around that hand right there, and on the bottom side as well at this point across the wrist. Now at the side of the right ear I'm gonna draw his spikes at the back with the zigzag line, of course, and then we're gonna make a sharp turn back in, and then we're going out again for the other spike, and stop there for the time being. And then for the right shoulder I'm gonna draw a zigzag line there to the side of the hand there, and for the lower line of the arm, and then at the side of the thumb here I'm gonna draw a curved line down with a zigzag pattern and extend it all the way to the side of the right leg. And for his tail we're gonna draw a sharp shape at the side. Then below his mouth I'm gonna draw the upside down tear shape, where we're gonna make a zigzag line to create the shape like that. And for the hands on the left I'm gonna surround the right side of the hands there with a zigzag line. And then for his shoes we're gonna draw on the right side here a semicircle line across, and in front of that I'm gonna draw another semicircle line and extend the side upwards. And then I'm gonna make a sharp shape on both sides, and then I'm gonna draw a short curved line on both sides, and then I'm gonna draw a semicircle line at this side and extend it across to the right, and then I'm gonna make a sharp corner on that side and turn it back to the left. And at the back portion of the shoe we're gonna draw a few more sharp shape right there, and inside of the shape I'm gonna draw a few curved lines across right there. Now for his shoes I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there with a curved line base like that, and I'm gonna do a similar shape on both the left and right side of it, and then I'm gonna draw a curved line from this corner here down on both sides as well, and on the bottom part we're gonna draw a curved line at the side right there. Then I'm gonna draw from the side point a curved line upwards in the center and mirror that on the right side, and then I'm gonna trace that shape again on the top portion right here, and another one above of that. And we're gonna draw the spikes below the shoes, so I'm gonna draw an upside down triangular shape right there, and the next row And then I'm gonna draw a line across right there, and another one on top of that, and a curved line in front of the shoes like that, and another one at the back portion there. Now for the left shoe, it's gonna be sideways, so the front part will be curved right there, and another curved line below, and another one below that. And then I'm gonna extend it all the way back on the lower portion right there. And at this point here, I'm gonna draw a semicircle turn and extend it with a curved line to the back, and make a sharp corner right there, and another one below that. And at the lower point, I'm gonna draw a curved line. Now we're gonna add those curved lines across right there. And for the shoes, we're gonna draw the 3 spikes here as well. And for this side, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle front to the front of the shoe, and then turn it down. And then at the front of the shoe, I'm gonna make a turn slightly to the back, and then on the front part of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a semicircle right there, and then I'm gonna extend it down and to the back. And then at the heels, I'm gonna make a semicircle turn back up right there, and I'm gonna trace the whole line across the lower portion there to the back like that, and another one again above it. And I'm gonna add the last spike on the shoes on the left side here, and I'm gonna draw across a semicircle right there and extend it to the side, and copy that for this point right there. And then we're gonna add the spikes for the bottom of the shoes on the left here as well. And across the bottom of the shoes right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.